Okay, welcome. I'm going to do a quick HTML lesson. I'm going to do a bunch of little tiny lessons, not to overwhelm you. You can take them, one a day or a couple times a day or however you want to do it. But by doing this, you get your mind used to not being overwhelmed by something. You teach it. See, nothing bad happened. I did it and nothing bad happened. So this is a simple little lesson, and I'm doing this one first because um, you can actually earn ad credits by doing what I'm about to show you to do. So you get to learn how to earn ad credits because, there's only so much surfing one wants to do in a day. So this is another way you can get ad credits. So, and like I said, we're going to learn HTML at the same time. So if you go to um, 20minuteseo.com/HTML/. Remember, you have to have the last / as well. So 20minuteseo.com/HTML/. If you go there, you're going to be on this page that I'm on right here. And this one, the tab that I'm on is HTML templates. So what we're going to do is show you how to make, starting from this right here. Let me see if I can make it smaller. Yes, I can. Show you how to make a block like this. For every block like this that you get that's accepted, you can earn surf credits. So this is one way to do it. So you can surf a little bit and you can do little tasks like this to earn them as well. If you get good enough, and good enough means, the company looks and says, you're doing good quality work, then you'll get other benefits on top of just getting 30 surf credits for each one of these you make. So basically the idea is you're going to make one of these and you're going to submit the code, which I'm going to show you how to make, to support, along with a category. So it could be funny videos, DIY, interesting videos, whatever. You put that on top, and then you indent a couple times, and then you post the code in a support ticket. And if it is accepted by support, and it will be accepted, provided that you didn't just, go find some video, write a half-hearted description with a bunch of, and it doesn't have a bunch of spelling errors and stuff like that. Just, like this is here. If you do this right here, but with different videos, then it'll be accepted. Okay, and like I said, if they really like your work, then they'll give you other benefits, and they'll let you know what those benefits are. So, and you'll need to be in a special group, but you can contact support and they'll give you the information on how to get into that group so that you can actively interact with the people who help work on the wiki web. Okay, so enough of that, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this page. This is really, really, really simple. So you come to this page and you got to be really careful to just highlight this code. We're just trying to get the lower part. Okay, not the top of the page. All right, so now we're going to go to an HTML editor, not that one, this one. And we're going to post it into the YSOM editor side. This side right here is the YSOM editor side. The other one is the source code side. I'm going to post it in there. And we have it. Okay, we do not need this top piece, so we're going to delete that. That did not work. Okay. Table, cell spacing, border. Okay. We're going to take this this out. Okay, now we got rid of it. So, and let's just make sure that looks good. Okay. So to change this right here, you just highlight it and change what it says. Change what it says. Hold on, I'm going to reset my keyboard. What it says. Now what we need to do is, that's what we changed there. So you're going to put the title. Not, they don't want to know, we don't want to know, no one wants to know what it is wherever you found it. Like, for example, this video here is top 5 best DIY inventions of 2020. See how this title is different? We do not want this title. We want you to make a new title describing what you would label the video. Okay? So that's what's going to go right here. All right, down here, this is your description about the video. Why you think people should watch this video. Okay, because what we're doing in the wiki web is we're searching through all the garbage that's online and picking out the good stuff. So what you're doing here, so that person doesn't have to, let me go to the website, make that bigger. Okay. What we're trying to do here is pick out the good stuff out of all the garbage that's on the internet. So this video has some amazing inventions made by normal people in their garages. And it just gives a description of why you, so this is like your tiny little micro blog, okay? You're gonna talk about this video and try to convince people why they would want to watch it, okay? And that's what you do. And then, to change this code down here, you just highlight it again. Well, actually, we're not on there. Sorry, gotta go back to the HTML. Sorry. Okay, you did it here. So you go, this is, okay, that was not, so you can go back. You just hit that arrow whenever something hinky happens, and it always will. Okay, so let's try this again. Careful not to highlight too much. Alright. Okay, I probably went down too far out of the box, and that's what caused that. I can just go. I'm just going to take it out like that. Alright. This is where you change the description of the video and say what you want to say. Now, did you see how the font changed? But what if I don't want the font to look like that? How do I change that? So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go to any Word document that has fonts in it. So here, I'm going to go, and I'm going to post. Apparently copied too much of the code. And that can happen. So if you're not careful, that's what will happen. All right, let's try this again. Because this will happen. I'm not starting the video over because this will literally happen to you. And you need to know how to get out of that. So copy it, highlight, be careful not to copy too much, and go to the HTML editor and paste it in here. And there we go. Okay, now, so to change this, just go to here, and then it shouldn't, normally when you just do it like this, and it shouldn't change the font, but just sometimes it does. Depends on what's running on your computer. Where you change it. Okay, now we want to change the font, so what we're going to do is copy, and just don't copy too much of the font. I mean, too much of the thing. Just right where it starts and right where it finishes. So, okay. So, see, the reason it's pink is because earlier, see, HTML gets all hinky. That's why I said you're going to get errors. Doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. You're going to get things like this happening, but they're no big deal because I can change it, and I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to make it Algerian, and I'm going to make it purple, and I'm going to make it, I don't like that Algerian. I want to say, let's see, some other random stuff that people say when they talk. Okay. So now I'm going to copy it, and I should be able to go back to the HTML editor and just paste it here. There. Now, if I go here, one more thing, change the video. How do you change the video? The video is right here, so we select this. And we change the link right here. And this is the setting that it must be. This is the size that it must be. So you don't change that, you just change this to whatever your video is. And click OK, and that will change it. So now let's go over and highlight it. And then I'm going to show you that it works. And test. Paste. And update. It's not going to look good because we were just doing a test. But go here, refresh, and go to test. And there we have it. And that's what you do. So just like I just copied that code into the box, this code right here, I copied it into there, just like I copied it in there, you're going to open a support ticket, so support center, and you're going to say, click here, you're going to post this in here, my code for DIY. Code, video code. And that's it. Hit submit and you're done. And once they accept it, they will put the 30 credits in your account. And 20, well, don't hold me to that. I wasn't supposed to say the amount because it'll probably change. So they'll put the amount and they'll also put a certain percentage in your sponsor's account. So that's it. Thanks. Have a good day.